What's the meaning of cruel? Cruel. Cruel.
Cruel. Cruel. Cruel is an adjective that describes behavior or actions that cause pain, harm, or suffering to others without sympathy or remorse. Cruelty can be intentional or unintentional, and it often stems from a lack of empathy or understanding towards others. The result of cruelty can be devastating, both for the victim and the perpetrator. It can lead to physical and emotional trauma, lasting scars, and shattered trust. Ultimately, cruelty takes away from our shared humanity and damages our ability to connect with others in meaningful ways.